Welcome, and this video today I will share with you how to change ship Sea Conquest, and here actionable step to changing your Sea ship. And the Sea using the formation screen to access the information screen, tap icon that resemble the ship wheel formation in the bottom right corner of your game and screen. This will be open formation screen. On the formation and screen you will see current flagship on your main ship and displayed prominently. Likely in the center you might also a smaller icon representing your secondary ships, and on the side top icon ship want to switch this called smaller secondary ship or another available flagship, and you own the depending on the game version. And you see confirmation pop asking you want to switch ship, and confirm switch prompts, and once you selected the new ship you'll become your active ship. Formation screen should reflect changing with the chosen ship display, and here some additional ship available. You can switch ship and currently have unlocked game and upgrade customization information screen and view manage upgrade customization for each ship. And you own the also battle switching, which limited some cases especially during battle switching, and the ship may display. So thanks for watching, guys.